Yeah. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. As you all know, my name remains Oyongomado Kainebi. And Oyongomado Kainebi is from Akumazu Mocha. And Akumazu Mocha is located in the Kano East local government area of Delta State. In case you're just meeting me, I am the publisher of Ibezua TV. We are working to unify NDI Igbo cut across the Federation of Nigeria. And there's a video I want you to actually look at. You know, we have been talking about NDI Igbo, talking about NDI Igbo who found themselves in Edo State, those who found themselves in Delta, Benue, Kogi, and Cross River, Bayelsa, River State, so on and so forth. But I still want to let you know that even as we attend this Oriri 2024, it was so amazing to discover that we have Igbos who are also domiciled in the West. When I mean West, Yoruba land, these are not Igbos who went there for business. I mean indigenous Igbos in Yoruba land. But it's quite interesting that they have been assimilated into the West. And today, the video you are about to watch are Igbos who traced their ancestors to Alibo. These are people coming from Uhorbo, Isoko, and Ichekiri. Just watch.
They appeared on the regalia with two members of also the cabinet taking the lead. Thank you very much. organization.
Yes, welcome back. Welcome back. I think you've seen the video. Let me see your observation, your comment, and statement you have in regard to this. And I will see come back to you. My humble name and my humble person, as you all know, I'll be bringing to you more events and stories as it regards to NDI Igbo. Keep supporting what we are doing. Keep following us. And within a shorter period of time, we are going to be launching International Social Cultural Organization that is set up to further unify NDI Igbo more. And until I come your way again, remain wonderfully blessed. Ndewo Igbo, ndewo.